Hi everybody and welcome, this is the Apostate Prophet. So the Islamic preacher Uthman ibn Farooq apparently received a written death threat, and he immediately took the opportunity to publish a response video about that, in which he proudly posed with his Muslim brothers to show how much he defies this death threat. Death threats are not funny, they're not good, they're not enjoyable at all. I would know. Since I criticize Islam, I get death threats all the time, which is no surprise to me, nor to anybody else. If I made a response video to every death threat that I get, then I would just be publishing response videos to death threats every day. Like today is my response video to death threat number 762. I'm really glad that Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq is not in my position, where he just receives death threats all the time. That would be bad. But of course it's not comparable, because when I receive a death threat, it's because I am critically analyzing my former religion, and therefore I deserve it. But when he receives a death threat, then that means that is Islamophobic, which is of course wrong and worthy of condemnation universally by everybody. This is why other channels also published videos about this immediately and made a big deal out of it. It is a good opportunity. I find the text of the death threat very strange. Sheikh Uthman, we know your car, we know your house. Stop dawah or die. Saints of Sam. I have so many problems with this. Sheikh Uthman allegedly received a death threat. I want to correct that at the beginning. It begins with Sheikh Uthman, which is a misspelling of the title and the name of the target of this death threat, which is very strange. We know your car. We know your house. Which English-speaking American person talks like this? Then again, it is California, I don't know. But what is the next thing here? Stop dawah or die. Stop dawah or die. What is that? Looking at all the U's here, it looks like it is a U. I've never seen anyone spell dawah like this, even when it's non-Muslims who don't know how it is spelled. I don't think that this is what a native English speaker would go for when trying to spell dawah. Dawah, D-A-U-A. And the I's without dots on them. I don't understand. And then, Saints of Sam? Saints of Sam? You mean like Son of Sam, like the serial killer, David Berkowitz? Or like Sons of Sam, which is a documentary about Son of Sam serial killer, which is currently popular on Netflix? Isn't that a little bit easy? That sounds very strange. It's like if I received a death threat that goes something like, I know your house. I know your car. Stop criticize Islam or die. Jack the Jihadi. You know, like Jack the Ripper or Jack the Fly Dipper. I don't know. And I highly doubt that a Christian would assume such a title. Saints of Sam. Come on, man. What? Are you kidding me? I don't know. I just can't help but think that this is a scam or somebody trolling, somebody with malintent making this up. I don't know. It seems strange to me altogether that in this scenario, it is the Islamic preacher, the Islamist, who is receiving the death threat. Normally, it's always the other way around. But whatever. Death threats are not good. They're not funny. I think we should all condemn such behavior. We should condemn death threats. We should condemn killings over ideas and beliefs. We should condemn the idea that our beliefs should be imposed on others and that they should be forced to accept our conditions or be fought and enslaved. I think we should condemn killing those who reject our beliefs or leave our beliefs. We should just condemn such things. I'm sure all the Muslim preachers would completely agree with this, right? Have a good day and stay away from Islam.